Hi guys, so for this video I'm using cotton in size 4 medium and a crochet hook in size 3.75 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot. Now for this stitch we'll need to chain multiples of 12 plus 5. So I'll start by chaining 29. Now that we've made this foundation row, on the 10th chain from the hook I'll make one treble crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll chain 2, then I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this third chain I'll make one treble crochet. Chain 2, I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this third chain I'll make one treble crochet. I'll chain 2, I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this third chain I'll make one treble crochet. Chain 2, I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this third chain I'll make one treble crochet. Chain 2, I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this third chain I'll make one treble crochet. Now I'll chain 2, I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this third chain I'll make one treble crochet. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2 I'll turn my work around. I will chain 3, then through a 2 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. I'll chain 2, then through the same loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Now I'll skip this next 2 chain loop, and through a second 2 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 2, then through the same loop I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chain loop, and through a second 2 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 2, then through the same loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Now I'll skip this next 2 chain loop, and through his last loop I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 2, then through the same loop I'll make 3 double crochet. So this completes row 2. Now for row 3 I'll turn my work around, then through this next 2 chains I'll make a slip stitch. So 1 and 2, then right here through this 2 chain loop I'll make a slip stitch. Now I will chain 3, then through that same 2 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet cluster. This 3 chain already counts as 1, so through the same 2 chain loop I'll make 4 double crochet cluster. This 3 chain already counts as 1, so 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll chain 4, then through the 4th chain from the hook I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 4, then through the 4th chain from the hook I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 4, Then through a fourth chain from the hook I'll make a slip stitch. Now ready to the same 2 chain loop I'll make 4 double crochet cluster. I'll chain 5, then right here through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 5, then through that same 2 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 5, through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 4 double crochet cluster. I'll chain 4, through the fourth chain from the hook I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 4, through the fourth chain from the hook I'll make a slip stitch, chain 4, through the fourth chain from the hook I'll make a slip stitch. Now through that same 2 chain loop I'll make 4 double crochet cluster. I'll chain 5, then through his last 2 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 5, this is all for today guys. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching.